Blame it on the rain. It is a rainy day. Doc and Emmy are playing. They hear giggling. It is Elma. The girls look out the window. The sun is out. They can play outside. Doc and her friends put rain boots. Mom, said Emmy, we are going outside. Emmy finds a puddle. Elma sees Moo Moo. She's all wet. Elma is crying. Doc can help. She will give Moo Moo a checkup. Doc will take Moo Moo home. Sorry, Moo Moo, says Elma. The doc is in, Doc says. Doc's toys come to life. Hello, Moo Moo, they say. Moo Moo is wet. Shake, shake, shake. She tries to get dry. Drip, drop, drip. Haley grabs a bucket. I left out in the rain, says Moo Moo. Chili hops up. If I was left in the rain, I will be a puddle. Doc says Chili that he is stuffed. He cannot be a puddle. Lammy wants to cuddle, but Moo Moo is too wet. Stuffy brings towels. Stuffy slips. Stuffy slides. Doc grabs a towel. Moo Moo is sad. Elma left her out in the rain. She made a mistake, says Doc. Doc gets the big book of boo-boos. You have squishy its, she says. Doc need to get Moo Moo dry.